Good morning tanan, Inday Vida here. So let's visit them guys. Hi guys. That's my garlic. Look at that. Hi everybody. How are you today guys? So they're huge na. And here's the uh, carrots. Ito yung carrots natin today. So, they're getting bigger, guys. This one is big, oh. Na? So, look at my lettuce, guys. It's so pretty. So, napod tayo lettuce in here. Natay kuan. Carrots. And this one is peanut. So, some is not yet ready. Just all peanuts in here. So, natay daghag peanuts, no? Yet, let's put this down. Let's put it down in here. So, oh, here's the lettuce. Our lettuce, guys, is fresh. And here's the strawberry. Wow! So, manas atong strawberry, guys, ha? Pero di jud sila daghan, guys. I don't know why. So, ato na ni siyang tangtangon, guys. Kay nanay daghan og kuan. Masaya na roots. So, ato ni siyang i-transfer para nanaputay ingani. Ingani ba? So, naapa dire na. So, nagdaga naman po dahil ni. So, nagduha na siya, guys, na kaniyo. Pero na siya roots dire. Na roots. Itong kuanon. I'll show you. Na, nagkuan na siya, guys. So, di na laman natatangtangon. Then, naapa dire na, nag-roots na. So, mag-ready na po ni sila o kanang kuan na. Kita ninyo? So, muna sa yung giingon, guys, nga pwede na to sa putdon. So, another na po siya nga punuan. Okay? So, sa ato sa ning idig sa din nato kay ari nato itanom nja daghan na tagkuan guys kanang strawberry pohon ba tanawag lettuce or ngopahan no fresh kinsay mga jug lettuce daghan mig lettuce guys tanong sa ang gopahan man gahong kuan oy carrots oy kani jud si Jam may pinakakuan dako kaninan duha na so mag-ana pud tayo nga ka ng soil guys kay basig mag-grow na sila ang daghana oy as in so arita sa pikas ito ta sa blue nga barrel na mo ni sa gatong onion guys so mo ni sa gatong onion red onion o white onion. Hala, maka-harvest nga jud tay nga ni puhunda. Guys ba, as in mahappy gajud ko. Ta murag dagkuon ra ba siya. So ako po ni siyang i-add, mag-add ko nga rig soil kay para manindot ang ijang bulb. So mo na siya guys, ang hong kuan garlic no. So next nato is moadto ta sa So next, let's go to the other garden. My huge garden over there. Look how beautiful is that, no? Yep. Over there is my sunflower, as you can see. Yung may cone dito. So let's go. So nara oh. Bang. Arita guys. Hala! Naanay buwak! Hala, naanay buwak guys. So mo ni atong sunflower. Murag dako-dako na sila ba? Na murag daghan na sa ant. Then dire mo ni sa atong bell pepper ug chili pepper murag ipangaon lagi sila. Lagi murag wa na mao. So pag abot diri guys is mo ni atong zucchini. Muna gatong zucchini guys, dako na no na. Oy. So mo na sa buwak sa zucchini guys. Na. So mo ni sa bunga guys. Kani. Mo sa baji. Ag kani si jalaki ni si guys kay was day bunga sa taas. Para ingana. So ang atong buhaton ingana is ato na silang ipakis guys. Okay? Na ala ka pretty sa buwak. Then pagkahuman kani siya pwede kani siya kanina kani mo ni siya ipakis dito sa baji kay para managhan og baji. So wow, hala, I'm happy guys na natay ma-harvest soon. Unja natay eggplant dire. Nga tong eggplant guys, dako na. So naa po dito, naa po flower dito po naa. So mo ni si Jai atong naragkang kung diba? Ingon sila magkuan kun ibutangan ko og box dire. So magtry ko magbutang og box guys. Para dire ra sila, dire na dire nga area. Pero naaman kun ni nay marigold. So arita unig atong ginger. Ano atong ginger? Mura na. So mo ni exact potatoes dire. Padong dito. Tunaw no. Then mo ni gatong bitter melon or ampalaya. Yes, tanawa. Hala, nag-cut na mo guys. I'm so happy. Here's the other one. But the other one is not yet. I just transferred this yesterday. It's supposed this one I give it to somebody, but she's not coming, so why not? I just transfer, and then after if my fruits na, I can give it to her, no? Yeah, let's share. So here's the red onion also, padong dito. That's all red onion. Okay, that's nice na. And here's the how you call this? Green beans. All green beans. My green beans is small. I don't know why. And syempre, here's our tomatoes. Syempre, di dyan na makalimtan natong tomatoes, guys. Kaya daghan tag tomatoes. Still a lot of tomatoes. Yeah. Some of it, yung iba guys, is dito lang tumutubo sa garden ko because I got plenty of tomatoes last year. So, nagtubo ra sila guys. So, what I did, I just transfer some of it. Yep, I just transfer some of it. So, here's the tomatoes too. Look at that, how pretty is that, no? Then, nata dire, how you call this? Bush beans. Na, they're getting ready na guys, no? This one is the bigger one. But some of it is it's getting ready. Alright, in here na. So maka-harvest na tayo na soon. Tanaw gatong kuan. Red onion. Dagko jud siya guys. I can't believe ta. As in, mga gwapa jud siya. So dirita sa atong asparagus. Kaning asparagus guys, mo ni sa buwak ni dya guys. Then pwede ka mag-collect og seeds ingani, then mag-grow ka sa mga sa tahagkuan guys kanang sa yan ana weeds ba na may weeds. So mo ni siya atong asparagus. So mo ni siya, no. And then ang next nato is baw na unsa ni akong kuan guys. Kanang gi-transfer mo gani na dako na sila ba. Gi-transfer ni naho dako na so nangadaot man na ay nagkaon. Nani nagkaon guys. Tanawa nanabza na si jay bunga. Kana na. Kaso na daot so di na nato kuan. Pero before that mo ni nangaon guys kana nahog na. Magbutang ka kuan dire. So mo ni siya ang kuan uban kanina kani gagmay pa ni kanirang usa duha tulo upat ang dako na transfer na ho dapat ewan na gi-transfer dito man sa greenhouse. So ag kani mao ni siya atong kuan string beans na ba dyan na daot po siya guys no. Kaso dugay naman dyan yung tubo good baw nga nung dugay wa pa siya ning kanat guys as in. Yeah? Hi. So arita sa green peas na atong green peas wow naanay green peas guys, pwede na to harveston, pwede na magpansit. Yes, pwede na tayong gumawa ng pansit. Ayan ang dami na niya, pwede na natin ma-harvest ito, pero hayaan muna natin siya, padamihin natin no. Yes, padamihin natin kay we need a lot guys no. Gusto natin yung madamihan ba, ganahan ko yung paramihan na. So mag-wait pa ta sa uban. I think I grow not a lot guys no. Yes, I didn't grow a lot. So it's better to grow a lot guys kay para daghan kag ma-harvest. Diba? Nakadiri na. So napod sila snow peas diri pero wa ko atay nga to. So maura na si Jag guys. Uy, adyo sa mong pagkis diha kay over here mo. Over here ba? Over here. Diha. Dali ra ba sa jamakuan guys? Mabali. Yes, dali ra siya. Suppose nagkatay mo diri diha ikaw magunit diha. Ana. Okay, so next naman tong ipakita is atong corn. Naman is dagatong corn. Ag kanira ba sa kay murag nako luyo. So naay dito corn na natay dako guys. Hala. Na si Jay kuan guys. Na Hala, mag-ready na siya na ready na. Agay. Maka-harvest na tayo sa Joe guys. Na may kuan dire. Kanang daghana lagi mga kuan ang sayan ana. Hala na sidya na yan naghanag mga weeds guys kinahanglan pina sa ginluan dire ba kay kuan din naa pa diri tan-awa hang ipakita ninyo mao ni siya from last year daghang tomatoes na nubo so ano pa nang sang i-transfer uy abi na good so naa naguban hala dako na then apa mo ni hang giingon daghag tomatoes di ba so dire napaka na tomatoes pod na so na ako yung mga kuan dire mga how you call this, corn ba. Then tanawag tomatoes guys, bisag asa na tomatoes diri, tomatoes napay tomatoes diri oh. Last year ni siya nanubo lagi. So ano po ni siyang i-transfer kaso dako naman siya. I don't know kung apa na siyang i-transfer. Pasagdan naman siguro na ho diha. So natay corn over here padong didto. Then diri nga side wa pa manig atong broccoli. Nay wa pa man ang atong broccoli guys. Nanarabay nagkaon dyan. Na? Nagatong broccoli. Manigatong broccoli guys ha. Then tanawa. Nagbang broccoli oh. Nanasasay ko. Then maonig atong kuan in here. Watermelon. Na? Pero naapa ko I got plenty watermelon guys. Na. Baw. Saon to na ho. So, nagatong kuan cantaloupe. So, naapa ko'y plenty over there too. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do for those. So, atong sweet potatoes. Natay sweet potatoes diri. Natabunan na siya sa dahon sa zucchini. Sweet potatoes in here too. So, I got plenty guys. Yep, I got plenty. And over here, napo tayo sweet potatoes diha. So waiting na nato. Then ang uban is tuapa sa sud sabay. Alright, murag na po tayo zucchini dire na. Mag-start na siya. Yep. So guys, ang kagwapa jug buwak guys. So nara halaka na so mga tuta sa atong kuan ay paday on is a peanut guys na peanut na to diba natay peanut diri on is a peanut tanawag atong carrots pinunsa naman monis atong carrots guys okay kani. So man is atong carrots. So what I need to do is just putting some soil na pod. Let's add some soil to them. So that looks like, oh look at that. Happy gardening na ba? Na? Alata na. Tas jack. Narao. So mga tutas sa atong kuan. Ubang sunflower og pumpkin. So let's go to pumpkin first. Hi everybody. How are you doing? Hi. Sorry guys, I don't have any treats for now. So here's to everybody too. Hi. How are you doing? That's Daisy. This one is Polly. And this one is Peter. And over there is the babies. Over there inside. I don't know where they. So here's the pumpkin. And that's a lot of pumpkin. Nah? Yep. I got 4 now. I just transferred yesterday. It's supposed that I give it to somebody, but she's not here. She's not coming, so it's better to put in the ground, no? Then here's the sunflower I got over here. But some I feel so sad because some of it they ate it. As you can tell, that's the sunflower, but someone is eating. So I don't know. So that's why I put some of this, guys. So we got sunflower. All right. Then here's the some too. I don't know. Let's take. Oh, it's it also. So I feel so sad for that. And here, let's find out. Oh, okay. They're getting better. So I put some cover to them so no one can eat it. Okay, look at this in here. Look at that though. They eat it. So I think here too. Let's see. Oh, okay. That's better. It's getting better. So some in here is not yet. I didn't cover. And look at this in here, guys. Then they ate it. But I hope this one is coming back. I think I saw something in here. And here's the other one. This one it's bigger too. It's just like this, but I don't know. I feel so sad for that. So here's my buzzer. Someone is getting this. So it's laying just in here. So that's it for today, guys. All right. Where I'm gonna put you in here. Ay, nako. Okay, let's see. So look at the sunflower. That one. It's huge, no? Okay, so let's go here. We got a lot of cornflower. This one is the cornflower. Oh, someone eat it. This one, guys. Yeah, someone eat it. That's a cornflower, guys. Okay, this one cornflower. This one is pink cornflower. That one is orange. This one is orange, and this one is white. Look at that, how many I got over here. It's plenty now, but this one is danger. Yep. So over here, that's a lot too. So let's remove some of the weeds, guys. I can tell they got weeds in here. And I don't know what is the name of this flower. Okay. So I think that's it for today, guys. Okay. Bye, Tanan. Oh, it's beautiful. Bye bye.